Welcome to section number 9 on application deployment. Right now, the app is running really well locally on your machine. The problem is that it's running locally on your machine. That means no one else can access it. In this section, you're going to learn how to deploy your Node.js applications to a production server so anyone with the app URL can pull it up in the browser and start to use it. Now, to get this done, we'll be working with 3 very popular tools: Git, GitHub, and Heroku. Git is going to allow us to put our application under version control. That's going to allow us to track the changes to our app over time. GitHub is going to allow us to back up our source code and collaborate with others. Finally, Heroku is going to give us everything we need to deploy our Node.js applications to a production server so our app is accessible with just a single URL. I'm excited to get to all of this and more, so let's jump right into the section.